Right. This is the experiment regarding the Nordstream Pipeline failures. I have set up the tray, the dish, so that we have an Alexander cell in the centre, which will be connected to the oscilloscope over there, and this will be connected through these cables here to here, through to here, and onto the meter position of the Alexander cell. This white cable is now connected to the cloth, which is the earth of the system, and when we drain current from the earth, that will also drain current from the Alexander cell, and when we switch the transformer rectifier on, that will test the effect of the current being drained from the earth in this location and the effect it has on the corrosion that is going on in the Alexander cell. We have two pipe to soil voltage half cells, what you call half cells, but they are in fact just ground contact electrodes, which I've described earlier. This one is connected to the white connections, which are to the yellow pipe, and this one is connected to the connection which is to the green pipe. That's the green connection to the green pipe, and we will be taking the pipe to soil here on these 2 meters here, and we will be taking the current here and the current there of various positions. We have the facilities to switch the system on and off automatically at chosen intervals, and the whole lot is linked to the Technatory, which is a simulator of the whole of this system. So that explains the a little bit of the wiring. You can see now that the transformer rectifier is connected to, this transformer rectifier is connected to the ground bed, which is here, and this is a carbon rod which is submerged in the electrolyte. The charges will, positive charges will come down the red lead into the carbon, and then that will send the charges throughout the water and the soil contained in the test bed. There is the facility for another transformer rectifier, which I will later on connect to these leads here, and one lead goes to the other ground bed here, which is a carbon rod, and to the green pipeline. See that? The green pipeline here, and that runs across here, and that is why this is indicated as the green pipeline, because that connection is to the other end of the green pipeline. So we have the yellow pipeline here connected at both ends. This one is to the drain point, which is the transformer rectifier for that. This one will be the drain point to the other transformer rectifier for that. Now, the reason why all this is necessary is because we are examining and experimenting with the effect of stray current. That is, the current which is being drawn from the green pipeline interfering with the current which is being drawn from the yellow pipeline. And as the experiment continues, I will be filming the effect of different positions of the half cells, the electrodes, and as you alter the position of the electrode, you alter the voltage. And the reason why that is because the voltage between each part of this test bed is different. So if this is close to a sacrificial anode, then the voltage will be much different to if it is remote or close to the ground bed. And you will see this, and this actually is an extension of the 3 nails test, which I demonstrate all the time. Okay, so I think that's as far as we can go with this particular video.